All right, welcome back to Fishing for Real People. Justin here. Just got a little bit of time to kill, so out at a different spot on the river. Brought a few things with me, not too much. We're just gonna do some casting and see if anything wants to play. So bring it back in a second. Okay, so I think we're gonna warm up today with the old spinner bait. Nothing special, just the white spinner bait with the Colorado and willow blade on it. Little trailer. Casting this around on the American Hero. Oh, I don't know if that showed up on camera. Big old pike just came up and hit it just right there, right in front of me. That was amazing. I'm gonna make another cast out there. I was not expecting him to hit that at all. Alright, well, just because it's still tied up, I'm gonna try this Berkeley Nessie out here a little bit and see if that can entice anything up. Hopefully, it'd be nice. There we got a pike. Oh, that's a decent pike. He inhaled that thing. Oh, actually, that's not that great of a pike, but oh, I watched him stalk that thing. He came right up and nailed it out of nowhere. There we go. I wasn't planning on playing with toothy critters today. Come here, you. Now, you be good. I'll unhook you and everybody can go on their way. Don't flop this treble into my finger. I'm gonna have to go get my pliers. All right, there we go. Nice pike. Beautiful pike. Beautiful pike. All right, and she gone. Oh, that was nice. It was fun watching that pike just stalk that up, that Berkeley Nessie up. And I just gave it one little twitch. Went right after it. And I caught that on the Fluger President. Handled that pike just perfectly. Oh, okay. Just flip that into an area I wasn't expecting there to be a fish. And, oh, come on, get up out of that mess. Holy cow. Oh, he's all wrapped up. Clean hook set, though. Oh, yeah. He's all wrapped up. Switched over to this worm, and cast it over into an area where I wasn't really expecting any fish, just to see how it kind of how it behaved. And up comes a snot rocket. There, you're out. All right. Nice. I know he's upside down for this shot, but ooh, nice pike. Nice pike. All right. Go on, bud. Go on. There you go. Pike number 2. I'll show you what this thing is here in just a second. All right, so this is just a worm. It's got this tail here that you can break, and kind of you can break it right along this seam and turn it into like a curl tail almost. I've just been leaving it like that for right now, casting it around. Hook that pike. This is a worm from Big Bite Baits. Big Bite Baits. I really like them. I really like their product. They're very reasonably priced for what you get. Very reasonably priced. Made in America too. Alright, well, I fished around for about as long as I can today. So that's going to do it. 2 pike on the board in about 40 minutes. It's not bad. I'll take it. So anyway, hope you all take care. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.